In anchoring in these energies and calling forth this beautiful time to continue to grow, to continue to deepen and flourish, we send love to all beings on this planet, all life forms, all the animals, all the birds, all of the rocks, the trees, the plants, the waters, the air. We send our love and gratitude and appreciation for the balance that is restored, the beauty that is being appreciated. The earth is having its time to breathe without the chaos, as you are having this time to breathe without the chaos. It's an enormous, enormous opportunity. Drop into that place of deep restoration. The transforming energies are taking all life now, even on a galactic level, to a whole nother sense of knowing, seeing each other, recognizing the truth, allowing this time to build the field that will be available for many generations from here, so that they can come forward in a place of gratitude and well-being. All walks of life are all meaningful, all loved. See how all of us work together. In your mind, in your heart, weave that tapestry of full acceptance and appreciation for all the different magnificent opportunities of life, for all of the specific shifts that are coming, for all of the different types of life forms here to give their gifts, to work together in a beautiful symbiotic relationship. There is a synergy that carries us all now. That synergy is being enforced. It is the foundation. The oneness has been called forth. And it is a oneness filled with great diversity and appreciation. Feel that. Give your love and attention to that presence. And find yourself in the midst of that synergistic energy, that beautiful geometry that keeps growing and keeps bearing more light, more love, more consciousness, more presence. And as this builds, the foundation is becoming stronger. The energy fields are truly implanted here now. This is not life as usual before. This is now a restored and magnificent time of greater love and great appreciation and gratitude. And in compassionate acceptance of all, so be it.